Hello and welcome to this channel. So for today's video, I am going to show you on how to create a sticky header to your WordPress website. So assuming that you already have your fresh website installed, so if you haven't created any page yet, just navigate to this area by clicking this page and create add new, then create your page, then publish. So once you have published, you have this page listed in this area. So if you want to specifically point out the specific page for the main page, so say for example you have your domain with this page. If you want this one to be a default landing page, just go to settings and go to heading, click this one, then choose the page you want to be a home page, then save, then go to permalinks and choose this one, post name, then save. Okay, so that's the basic setup for your fresh WordPress. So once you have done that, just go to, so by the way, I'm using this Hello Ementor theme, a free version for Elementor compatibility. Then we install the plugin Elementor and site header effects for Elementor. Then add new. Okay. Then let's find Elementor kit. Okay. So this is the plugin that we are going to use, Elementor. Wait, okay, sorry. So just wait for the result. And okay, so basically this is the all Elementor that we have here. Okay, so let's just find the good Elementor. This one, this is what we need. Elements kit Elementor add-ons, okay, by WP Met. So just install now. Then once this plugin installed, just activate this plugin. Okay, so we'll just push. So now the plugin is installed. Just click activate, then we'll wait again. Now as you can see here, we have redirected to plugin. So this is the Elementor Kit Lite, this one. So once you have done that, you will see a option here. So just go over here, header, footer, click that one. Then we are going to see this page. Okay, just if you're advanced, you can choose this one, or basic. So for now we just choose basic, or maybe advanced. So click advanced. Okay, you can choose this one, but this is a pro version. But for a pre version, sticky header menu is good to go. So next step, just if you want to sign up, you can. Next step, next step, next step, next step. So save changes. So once you are done setup, just click again the header footer. Now you can see here the empty templates. So just click header and add new. Just main menu header. Just select header and condition. This is where you want to choose for entire website or singular. So if you want some specific menu to be displayed on specific page, you need to upgrade this one. So since we are going to create a main menu for all of your website, so just leave it as it is, then activate. Right, save changes. Now we have this one, then click edit. Okay, edit content. So we are now going to edit our menu. So by the way, if you haven't created your main menu, just go to this dashboard of your WordPress website, then appearance, then menu. So just create a main menu here. Okay, enable this menu for mega menu content, so you can enable that one, then create. So if you want to create more menu, just click this one, then sub menu or something, let's say, then just create, and now you are able to select this one here. Just click view all, choose any pages you want. So if you have more pages, you will see more pages over here. You can also have custom links if you want. Just add a menu. Okay, then enable, save, so you're good to go. Then we are now going to choose this one here, so flex. Okay, so that's that. Then we are going to choose logo or something. See if you have here the logo. So just click this one to choose your logo. So I will just choose my logo, clicking this one. So I've chosen my logo, so now select, then you have here. Then of course we are going to add a menu. Just type in menu. Okay, choose whatever you want here, so maybe this one. Let's try. Okay, so just choose a menu. So main menu. So since we only have two page of menu setup, so that's the result. Then just click here and click this one. Okay, then center maybe, and okay, so that is how you set up your menu. Then maybe space evenly or space between. So this is how, so you can see we have the nice main menu. Or maybe let's just add search icon, this area probably. Okay, so we now have this icon here, which by the way, we'll click this one, then order, just click end. Okay, now you have that nice little main menu. So just add background by clicking this one. Just add a little bit darker. I think that's that, or maybe this one, some kind of little bit darker. Okay, then the menu will change this one here. Okay, how about white? So we'll just add global colors for this one. So maybe add here light color, choose this one, then add dark color, dark, and choose the color black. Save and go back. Okay, so we're good to go. Just click X. Then now we can choose the color. Oh, oops, sorry. Just choose the color, text color, menu item, substyle, then item text color to light. See, change this one as well, maybe light. Okay, nice. Okay, so just adjust the height if you want. You can choose this one. I suggest you to choose this one rather than pixels. So okay, let's just say 25, then reduce this a little bit, so 10. Okay, 10 might be enough. And just add some border at the bottom. Just go to style, border, just choose a solid. then unlink maybe 2 or maybe 4, then choose the color blue or maybe darker blue. Okay, how about this one? Or okay, so now let's check this is available here. Now as you can see, we have the main menu here. So what we want here is when you scroll, we need this one to be sticky. So let's just do that. Adjust this one. Okay, just click this one here and advance. You will see an option here. Okay, you will only see this option once you have installed this plugin. Okay, so you need to install that one so that you can see this option here. So just enable that one, and you can choose whether the sticky menu will stay for mobile and tablet. So just leave it as it is. Then you want transparent, you can. Background color, maybe when the user scroll down, we'll just choose dark. Okay, let's see, save, then just refresh and scroll down. Okay, as you can see, change. So let's say bottom border maybe green, so you can see that the sticky header is working. So just refresh, see. Okay, so shrink header, then shrink logo, maybe change the height of the logo when scrolling down. Just save, refresh. Okay, then scroll down. As you can see, when we scroll down, the logo shrink. Okay, so let's try to change this. Hey, so maybe transparent. Let's see how this works. Refresh. Okay, so this is transparent. Okay, so if you don't want transparent, you can disable this one and save. So let's edit first the page so you can totally see the sticky header. Okay, just add another one here. Maybe we'll just add some content, something, just put it in the center, just like that. So by the way, for this one, you can see the unwanted space at the bottom of this text. Just click this one and then click this one, hit enter, and you will see the unwanted space is disappear. Okay, so we'll just add another. How about this one? This is just for a test. Okay, so save, and let's check again the main page. Okay, scroll down. As you can see, we now have the sticky header. You can play around with this one. You can do the responsiveness. Okay, let's fix this one. Okay, the background maybe lighter. Wait, menu item, background maybe white. Okay, light. Okay, menu hamburger style, sorry, hamburger. Just can play around with this one, as you can see here. So if you want this one at the corner, you can by simply clicking this one, then advance and okay. So if you want this 3 element to be on can just basically space around just like that, or at the center just like that, space evenly, so you can see that we now have this kind of a menu. So this one, we have the menu. We can change that one by simply menu, sub menu panel. This one can add a darker style. Check. Let's try again. It wrapper, I guess. Okay, this one dark, so let's try again. Okay, so that's that. Or maybe transparent a little bit. Then menu item style, you can just change it to blue, so you can play around if you want. As you can see, we have now the background, but if you want this to be the same as this wrapper, you can copy this one here, copy the style and menu item style, just paste it here. So let's try again. Okay, so we now have a nice home style. Okay, so you can play around with this one, so explore. So if you have any question how to this one works, then you can leave a comment below for this channel. Okay, so that's that. Wait, let's try again. Okay, so I think we have set this background, so just remove our wrapper. No, menu item style. Okay, hamburger menu style. Okay, this wrapper, I guess. So you can play around, change the color background and all if you want. So this item, maybe delete, and this one as well, just like that. So how about this one? You can explore anything you want here, this main menu. Okay, so that's how it works. Okay, so this is just a basic tutorial on how to create a sticky header. Okay, let's try to see. So this is simple and nice menu. Thanks for watching and hope you enjoyed this video.